Are you tired of trying to juggle a massive turkey and 3 side dishes in a single crowded oven? Today we are solving your holiday hosting nightmares with the ultimate kitchen upgrade. I've spent the last few months putting the top models through rigorous testing, baking, broiling, boiling, and roasting to see which ones truly deserve a spot in your kitchen. Stick around until the end, because our #1 pick completely blew me away with a feature I didn't even know I needed. 5. Frigidaire PCFE3080AF. When I first got this range into the test kitchen, I was immediately drawn to its professional aesthetic. It has that sleek, high-end slide-in look with front control knobs that instantly elevates the feel of the surrounding cabinetry. The smudge-proof stainless steel finish is also a nice touch, and during my testing, it genuinely resisted fingerprints far better than standard stainless appliances, which is a huge plus if you have kids running around the kitchen. On the cooktop, this model features a versatile electric radiant surface that heats up relatively quickly. I tested the space-wise expandable elements by boiling large pots of water and simmering delicate sauces, and it handled the transitions fairly well. The bridge element is particularly useful when you want to set up a griddle for Sunday morning pancakes, providing an even heating surface across 2 burners. Moving to the oven, the standout feature Frigidaire heavily markets is the built-in air fry. I was excited to test this out by making a massive batch of chicken wings. The convection system does a great job of circulating superheated air, and the wings came out impressively crispy without needing a deep fryer on the counter. It definitely saves counter space, and the overall capacity of the oven allows you to air fry a family-sized portion all at once. However, my experience with this range wasn't entirely flawless, and there are a few frustrating quirks you should know about. For a range that touts its air frying capabilities so loudly, it is incredibly disappointing that the specialized air fry tray is not included in the box. You have to purchase it separately, which feels like an unnecessary extra step. 4. Cafe CES750P2MS1. This 30-inch smart slide-in front control radiant and convection double oven range is without a doubt one of the most visually stunning appliances I have ever tested. The customizable hardware options allow you to tailor the look to your exact kitchen aesthetic, and the glass touch controls disappear when not in use, leaving a beautifully clean and modern glass front. During my hands-on time, I was thoroughly impressed by the smart features packed into this unit. Connecting the range to my home Wi-Fi was relatively straightforward, and the Cafe app allowed me to preheat the oven from my phone while I was still out running errands. The precision cooking modes take a lot of the guesswork out of complex recipes, automatically adjusting temperatures and times to ensure your roasts and baked goods come out perfectly. The cooktop performance is equally robust, featuring a massive 12-inch dual element that boiled my large stock pots in record time. The edge-to-edge glass surface makes wiping up spills incredibly easy. When testing the true European convection with precise air in the lower oven, my multi-rack batches of chocolate chip cookies baked flawlessly, with 0 hot spots or uneven browning, regardless of which rack they were placed on. Despite its gorgeous exterior and smart capabilities, living with this Cafe double oven range revealed some ergonomic drawbacks that are hard to ignore at this price point. Because they pack 2 ovens into a standard slide-in footprint, the lower oven sits extremely close to the floor. Every time I had to pull out a heavy Thanksgiving turkey or a large cast-iron Dutch oven, I found myself virtually squatting on the ground, which puts a lot of strain on your back and makes checking on food quite a hassle. 3. Kitchenaid KFGD500ESS. Now, this specific model features a gas cooktop setup, but its double oven baking performance is so universally praised that I absolutely had to include it in our lineup for those who might have a dual fuel setup or a gas hookup as an alternative. Right out of the gate, this range feels incredibly solid. The signature Kitchenaid handles with the red medallions give it a sturdy, commercial-grade appearance that completely transforms the look of the kitchen. Testing the cooktop was an absolute joy. The heat control you get here is phenomenal, especially the dedicated simmer burner, which allowed me to melt chocolate and hold delicate sauces for hours without a single scorch spot. The oval burner in the center is perfectly sized for an oversized griddle, making weekend meal prep a breeze when you are cooking bacon and eggs for a large family. Where this Kitchenaid truly shines, however, is inside the double ovens. With a combined capacity of 6.0 cubic feet, I had no trouble simultaneously baking side dishes up top and roasting a main course down below. The even heat true convection system in the lower oven is one of the most consistent I've ever tested. My layer cakes came out perfectly level and uniformly baked, showcasing just how well the bow tie design heating element and fan work together to distribute air. I also genuinely appreciated the thoughtful design of the oven racks. The lower oven features a satin glide rollout extension rack, which completely solves the ergonomic issue I had with other models. Being able to pull a heavy bubbling lasagna out smoothly on a gliding track makes the lower oven placement feel much more accessible and significantly safer when you are handling incredibly hot cookware. 2. Whirlpool WGE745C0FS. If you are looking for pure capacity and everyday practicality, this electric double oven range is an absolute monster. Offering a massive 6.7 cubic feet of total cooking space, this was the most spacious oven I tested. When I was preparing a mock holiday dinner, I was able to fit a large turkey in the lower oven, while simultaneously baking 3 different casseroles in the upper oven, entirely eliminating the stressful timing games of hosting. The radiant cooktop on this Whirlpool is highly versatile, featuring both dual and triple radiating elements. This meant I could perfectly match the heating zone to the size of my cookware, from a tiny butter-melting saucepan to a massive chili pot, ensuring no energy was wasted. The elements provided rapid, even heating, and the smooth ceramic glass surface wiped pristine with just a quick spray and a microfiber cloth after my messiest cooking sessions. Inside the lower oven, the true convection cooking utilizes a third heating element coupled with a fan, and the results during my baking tests were phenomenal. Every batch of pastries puffed up beautifully, and roasting vegetables yielded perfectly caramelized edges. I also heavily relied on the upper oven for everyday tasks. Because it is smaller, it preheats much faster than a traditional oven, saving both time and electricity on a busy Tuesday evening. One of my favorite features during testing was the frozen bake technology. It allows you to skip the preheat phase entirely for common frozen foods like pizza, lasagna, or chicken nuggets. You just program the temperature and time from the package, and the oven calculates the rest. 1. GE JBS86SPSS. After weeks of intense cooking and baking, this 30-inch freestanding electric double oven range emerged as the clear winner, offering an unbeatable combination of price, performance, and everyday usability. GE has consistently produced some of the most reliable ranges on the market, and this model feels like the culmination of everything they do best, wrapped in a sleek, fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel package. The cooktop setup is brilliantly designed for a modern cook's needs. It features a 12-inch and 9-inch dual element, alongside a powerful rapid boil element that brought a massive pot of pasta water to a rolling boil faster than almost every other electric range I tested. The 5th element acts as a dedicated warming zone, which proved to be a lifesaver when I was trying to keep gravy and mashed potatoes piping hot while waiting for a roast to finish resting. The true star of the show is the double oven configuration, offering 6.6 cubic feet of combined capacity. During my ultimate stress test, I loaded both ovens to the brim. The upper oven is perfectly sized for broiling and quick bakes, while the lower oven features true European convection. Every single item I baked, from delicate macarons to a dense sourdough loaf, came out with a bakery-quality finish. The heat distribution is flawless, and the temperature accuracy was spot on when checked with an external oven thermometer. What truly pushed this GE range to the top of my list is the no preheat air fry feature. Unlike other models that make you buy extra accessories or wait forever to reach temperature, this oven lets you air fry straight from the get-go.